Okay, here we go. Stand by. 3, 2, 1.
All right, so I'm out here today. I'm in my backyard, obviously, recording with the GH5. I'm also recording with this. I got a big furry microphone and it's all on a stand. And the subject of my video today is the new tree I just planted the other day. We should go take a look and see how it's doing. So here it is, trusty little lemon tree. It's got some fruit on it. It's a nice little tree, as you can see. It's got multiple varieties of citrus on it. It's dropping some fruit because of probably because of the transplant. I think it'll make it through the winter, and we'll have some great lemons next year. It's a very windy day. So what do you think of that? What do you think? Nice tree? Boring content? Of course. So it's got some old leaves on it, nothing new. Actually, these look pretty new. My audio is all the way over here, but hey, what are you gonna do? I got the camera audio. I can always mix in and out with that. Let's go get the water hose and put some water on here. Let's turn this on. I shouldn't be doing this right next to my audio gear, but here we go. I could probably set this down for a minute and just let it fill. Filling up. I make it a point to keep my gear out of the shot. There's the old microphone setup. I like it. I like this microphone setup because it's lightweight and compact and portable. Very portable. I have my camera bag hanging from there. Hanging from the hook right there underneath. And I could just grab and go. It's a good setup. Still watering. Want to see? I think that's it for now. All right.